Mass extinction is when you lose about half the species on the planet or more. It's a crime of all time.
Every year, scientists estimate 40 to 54 billion pounds of fish is brought out of the ocean, killed, and thrown back.
30% of the world's fish caught are fed to livestock.
Pigs are eating more fish than sharks. What kind of world is that?
There's nothing really sustainable that we know of in our oceans because we've depleted everything that we're aware of.
100 million sharks a year killed by humans.
Probably 5 of the last mass extinctions have been caused by ocean acidification. We're now causing the oceans to go acidic faster than most of those extinctions.
Plankton is absolutely essential for all life on the planet. And we may be losing, as some say, up to 1% a year because of ocean acidification.
Without a functioning ocean ecosystem, we don't have a functioning atmosphere. Without a functioning atmosphere, we are all literally dead.
World War II will be a footnote in comparison to what we're doing right now with the loss of biodiversity.
The ocean is not too big to fail. If it does, we do.